So how to install MyQ Garage and Access Control app? It's the top app to to manage your garage actually and access to either garage or some other points. Open and close from anywhere. Get real-time alerts for free. So yeah, it's pretty cool, amazing app. As you can see, it's literally in the top charts. It's one of the top apps for this. Like there is Ring app, and then there is this app. It's like in the top charts for this. Yeah, pretty cool. But sometimes it has some kind of bugs. Sometimes it's just not working, and it can be super annoying. Like, if you just open in TikTok, whatever, it's buggy. You just, okay, not gonna watch TikTok. But if you have a car and you just won't get out of your garage and this app doesn't work, then you have an issue. And if you forgot how to open your garage without the app, like you're going to work or whatever, then yeah, it's not that good. But see here, you can just see some not reliable. But anyhow, overall, it's actually quite good app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, now you can just tap to continue, accept cookies, and then yeah, you can just check compatibility. Which brand is your garage door opener? So then you can just check Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Craftsman, another brand. So for example this, and then take a look at your current Craftsman opener. Does it have either logos on it, like powered by MyQ or Wi-Fi? So you're ready to connect. So for example, but then for example another brand, like you just have all of these another brands, and then you can just see this. So yeah, you just basically need to connect. Sometimes you just need some additional smart garage control to complete your setup. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you just need to buy some of these devices with free shipping. It's like $30 or something, and then you can just connect it. Yeah, something like that, and then just connect with MyQ, and then yeah, you can just continue with Apple, or just like how you create your account, and then that's basically the idea. And then you can just check out the country, like in which country you are. You can just add, for example, just your zip code, just whatever, and then yeah, you can just proceed. And then yeah, then you can just allow that. Choose the device you'd like to set up: garage door opener, accessory, video solution, smart garage app, smart lock, and then yeah, you can see users, and then yeah, you can see history, then you can see discovers, like what's new. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then yeah, that's your account. If you don't like, you can just delete an account. There is always this handy support, which is actually really important. You can always tap to contact them. I guess you will just be redirected to their website. There is all of these things. MyQ support, for some reason it's a bit hidden, so there is some kind of chat here, but hopefully they also have like a phone support. Anyhow, that's like a just very quick overview of the app, and hope it's not buggy for you, and thanks for watching.